Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening. Episode 106. How to use link in bio in Instagram to grow your fashion business. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fashion Marketing Podcast. I'm Maristella and I'm your host here at the Fashion Marketing Podcast. Today let's talk about link in bio. So something different from other topics because it's a very specific topic about how to use Instagram to drive sales to your fashion business, so to grow your fashion business in general. So basically, this episode is for you if you want to turn your Instagram followers into customers for your fashion business. If you want to build a beautiful portfolio that reflects your personal brand in just one click or one link. If you want to add multiple links to your bio on Instagram. So do you want to turn your Instagram followers into customers for your fashion business? Would you like to build a super creative portfolio that showcases who you are and your personality? Are you struggling to add multiple links to your bio on Instagram? If you answer yes, then, my dear friend, this episode is for you. And also remember that you can also read this episode from the blog post I'm gonna put in the link in the show notes. So this episode is definitely for you because it will help you to get the most of your link in bio on Instagram. Instagram visual platform has made it an easy option for fashion businesses to showcase their products and services, which have essentially resulted in brands strengthening their business and expanding their reach. However, success for fashion business on Instagram take more than publishing attractive images. It is the product of thoughtful strategy, a well-defined fashion business identity grounded in visual creativity and effective community management. That's why this episode will help you to develop an Instagram marketing strategy for your fashion business based on clear goals and measurable results. The link in bio on Instagram is an essential part of your fashion business growth. But before going on, I want you to check my certified online course, Instagram for Fashion, Launch a Fashion Business on Instagram. You can check the link in the show notes about our e-learning fashion marketing and business certified online academy based in Milan, Italy. But it's an online academy. How to launch and grow a fashion business in the next 30 days. You will find also lots of bonuses in our certified online course. It's a Instagram for Fashion. It's a step-by-step guide on how to turn your Instagram followers, no matter of how many followers you have, into customers for your fashion business. So if you want to learn more, just check the link in our show notes. So now let's talk about link in bio. The link in bio means the clickable URL appearing in your Instagram profile description, which provides essential information about your fashion business and your products and services. Usually is your website or any landing page where your followers can click to get in contact with you. So in the blog post you will find a screenshot from my jewelry brand and my link in bio. My jewelry brand Maiden Art. I have prepared for you 3 tips on how to use link in bio on Instagram to grow your fashion business. So first step, drive traffic directly to your website and e-commerce. The most obvious use of your Instagram link in bio is to direct your followers or users in general to your website homepage. You can also direct them to your e-commerce homepage, like I did in my jewelry brand Made in Art Instagram profile. Second step, to grow your email list. Use your link in bio on Instagram to grow your email list and your community. You can add a link in bio, add a link to a landing page where your followers can sign up with their email address and download a freebie. In this way, you will turn your followers into potential customers for your fashion business because you use Instagram to attract your dream customers. If you check my blog post, you can find also other two examples of brands that use Instagram to grow their email list and their sales too. A brand that I love, Giardino Blu, of healing jewelry, she puts a free guide about wearing healing jewelry in her link in bio. The goal of that brand is to list building to nurture the audience with valuable information. Another brand, Hello Match Tea, the call to action is click the link below, get 20% off if you sign up to their website where you find a pop-up box. The goal of the brand is growing email list to make sales. The third tip is about Linkfolio. Linkfolio lets you build a beautiful on-brand portfolio in a few easy steps. In one link, showcase your best self to thousands of followers. If you want to add multiple links to your link in bio or you want to create a standout portfolio to reflect your personal brand, then Linkfolio is the right tool for you. You can check the link to create a free account of Linkfolio from my blog post in the link in the show notes. Linkfolio is the only tool that lets you build a beautiful design portfolio in just a few seconds. Fully customizable to reflect your personal brand, it's what separates successful creators, fashion brands, and fashion business from the rest. How it works in a single URL include all of your favorite links. Whether it's a link to your favorite product or to your favorite post with unlimited links, you can easily direct followers to content you want to highlight. It's the perfect tool to use to add multiple links to your link in bio, and you can create a beautiful professional presentation of what you do. Furthermore, you can track analytics. In addition to integrating social metrics, Linkfolio offers its very own analytics. That way you can see metrics like how many visitors click on your Linkfolio URL and which links they're interested in most. Here's an example of Linkfolio, a picture of how it works about the metrics. You can check the link in the show notes of my blog post. In my opinion, it's very important to differentiate yourself from your competitors right now, and with Linkfolio you can stand out from the crowd with a successful portfolio with multiple links, and you can always keep an eye on the insights metrics too. If you want to give it a try to Linkfolio, you can just click the link in the blog post in the show notes, and you can have a free account. So guys, if you have any question, as usual, feel free to share your thoughts with me. You can send me a vocal message or you can comment the blog in the link in the show notes. I really love to hear from you. And if you need any assistance with your link in bio on Instagram, why don't you check out our WhatsApp coaching and consultancy service. I hope you enjoyed this episode and thank you so much for listening, and talk to you very soon. Bye for now.